Do you know many people are having trouble with turning off their Minn Kota iPILOT remote? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Press and hold. Press and hold the power button on the remote until the LED light turns off. Step 2. Ensure screen blank. Ensure the remote screen is blank, indicating it is powered off. Step 3. iPILOT maintains state. If the iPILOT continues to operate, it will maintain its current state until the remote or foot pedal is used. Step 4. Controller stores data. The iPILOT controller stores your tracks and spot lock locations, even if the remote is off. Step 5. Remote doesn't turn off system. Remember, turning off the remote does not turn off the iPILOT system itself. Step 6. Power on to resume. To resume control, power on the remote and make any necessary adjustments. Now you should be able to easily turn off your Minn Kota iPILOT remote. Happy boating! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Minn Kota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.